Friends, so this is the unboxing of the LG Smart TV AI, which is 32-inch R63B6LC. This is the model, and this is the 2025 model. So let's unbox this. This is AI enabled TV, and it can be interfaced with the it is a smart TV. It can be interfaced with the Apple as well. So it is taking some time. Pause कर दो उसको. Okay, so now it's opening. I open this. It's finished. Very nice packing. And this can be used for buying applications of the engineering as well of the digital smell also, because it is can be interfaced with the circuit. So this is stand. It can be put over here. This is the thermocol. And yes, this is the. It is covered with a plastic bag, kind of plastic bag. So let me put it over here. And this is the remote and guide booklet kind of things. We put it over here, and this is again the thermocol. One more thermocol is inside over here. This is nicely clipped. One more. This is put it. This is inside. Now the box is almost. This can be further utilized. So these are the things. This is a stand. This is the booklet and the remote, and this is the television. Let me open it for you so that the unboxing logically happens. Wow. So this is. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time, and this can also be utilized for the application of digital smell, because we are also working to interface the smell feature in the mobile application as well as the application of the television. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.